we did not create a set of technologies that catered to a general contractor. We said, what is going to create the most value for people in general? And who does this serve? If it serves the owner, then the owner gets to disseminate that value to the users of the building or the tenants or whatever. If the value is created for the middleman, then the middleman is going to capture that value. The owner doesn't receive it, and then neither does the people. Ultimately, when it comes to the trades and everything, they want to be on our platform because, first of all, they're not doing any estimating. We make it easy for them. I'm going to give you the quantity. We're going to take the quantity risk, but not really, because technology is giving us accurate information. Here's the quantity. Give me your unit costs for material, labor, equipment, and then I'm going to pay you in 30 days directly. It's not going to flow through a GC. It's not going to through. It's just going to we use FinTech that goes from owner to supplier, service provider, whatever, contractor directly. Paid in 30 days. Now we're high grading our talent because everybody else is taking 60, 90, 120. And if you're way down on that pyramid, 180 days, all they're doing is pricing that working capital into their price, and then the owner pays. Again, it keeps driving it up. It's my position that general contracting is nothing more than contract trading. They used to have their own trades and everything like that. Now they're contract traders. The idea is to bring the money in as fast as possible and pay it out as slow as possible. And I might be a little overly critical there. They do create a lot of value in certain ways. But ultimately, that's what the industry has come to. And so we're going to take advantage of that. We're going to pay quickly. We're going to get the best trades on our projects. And we do part of the work for them. So make it really easy to do business. That's the best way you can amplify an economy, an entire economy, is the fast movement of capital, right? If it recycles fast, people are going to do more projects, right? People are going to, it's amazing how it works, right? Just pay people on time, pay them for their value. Great things happen. I just get really frustrated. And it sounds like I'm just pounding on the GC model. In many ways I am. But you think about it from a risk point of view, right? Like right now, because they're contract administrators or contract traders, any risk that they can't push down onto subs, they monetize and push up for the owner to pay. Right? And so how do we take that right out? How do we take that behavior right out? And that's ultimately what we tried to, that's what we have done.